My name is Seung Yi. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. I specialize in sports medicine. I was actually born in South Korea. I came to the US when I was 10 years old, and we moved to St. Petersburg. I have a family of my own with 3 boys, which make life 3 times more fun. So it's been great. Growing up, when I've had injuries and when my friends have injuries, we always knew that the Florida Orthopaedic Institute was the center of excellence that everyone went to. This is my dream job that I was able to get. Many of the orthopedic surgeons at our group are the leaders in the country for orthopedics. A lot of us are teaching courses nationally, writing book chapters, writing articles for scientific journals, the type of research that other orthopedic surgeons are learning in the community.
My name is Eric Rodriguez, and 15 months ago when I was playing flag football, I experienced some hip pain. So when I turned in flag football and I felt this sharp pain. I told Dr. Yi that I had taken other x-rays before, but Dr. Yi allowed me to take different angled x-rays, and that's what allowed him to see the hip impingement. And that's what because I was like, I've already done x-rays, and then he was like, oh, we're gonna do different angles, and I was like, okay. He told me I possibly had a labrum tear due to the hip impingement. Dr. Yi had to do a hip injection to see if that was exactly the source of the pain. So when he did the hip injection, it numbed my hip, and he allowed me to do high knees, jumping jacks, exercises that I wasn't able to do in the past 5 months. And then I had no pain during that time, so he knew that was the source of the pain. So one word I would use for Dr. Yi is grateful. I'm very grateful that he allowed me to get back to exercising and playing sports, which is what I love to do.
Traditionally when people think of sports medicine, people think of professional football players or professional soccer players that are getting injured, and they're the ones that need to see the sports medicine specialist in orthopedic surgery. I kind of think differently because I myself still play soccer and is very active in a lot of different sporting activities, and I think if I were to get injured or just have some pain, whether it's in my shoulder or knee from playing those sports, I would want to go see a sports medicine specialist who's had experience in treating professional athletes in the past, and hope that I get the same kind of care with my condition.